Okay. Now here put x equal to y. Now in last problem here ax minus 1, suppose ax minus 1 equal to y, then ax equal to 1 plus y, both side taking ln both sides, and you know that in logarithm if a power x multiply by front of ln a, then x equal to ln 1 plus y over ln a. And you may notice that as x tends to infinity, then y tends to 0, and then limit x tends to 0, ax minus 1 over x equal to limit y tends to 0, y upon ln 1 plus y upon ln a. Okay, because a power x minus 1 equal to y, see here in this step ax minus 1 equal to y, that's why ax minus 1 equal to y, and in place of this x equal to this ln 1 plus y ln a. See here, it means over this original limit equal to this, and again here is y and ln will be here, shift here y ln and ln 1 plus y. This is simple, and limit y tends to 0, 1 upon, here is a y can be written as 1 upon y. Please don't write anything on this paper. Okay, then this y can be written 1 upon y into ln a and ln 1 plus y. Now here this y multiply by this ln 1 plus y, again same property of logarithm, this y front will be power of 1 plus 1 upon y. It means ln a ln 1 plus y power 1 upon y, and apply limit, it means apply limit on numerator as well as here, and here limit y tends to 0, 1 plus y 1 upon y is equal to e. We did previous problem, we already proved this, equal to e. Then what we get here, ln is a constant, ln is same. Okay, then what we get here, limit y tends to 0 ln or ln 1 plus y power 1 upon y, this same equal to, and again ln e, what is ln e? Ln e equal to 1. Final we get this is ln a. It means limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 over x equal to ln a. This is a proof of this. This limit when x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 over x, this equal to ln a. Now using this limit we can solve some problem. Limit x tends to 0, 25 power x minus 5.
मुझे आए कौन है तेरा किताब में सेव ज्यादा बैटरी
25 power x minus 5x upon x. And now at second problem, apply limit this. Now in this case we need to ax minus 1, here we multiply or add and subtract 1. Here 25 power x plus minus 1 and plus 1 upon x. Now here this 25 power x minus 1 minus 25 power x minus 1 over x, and this can be written in this form. And apply limit, this is same, this equal to ln 25, this minus ln 5, and ln 25 minus ln 5 equal to ln 25 upon 5, this equal to 5. Now in second problem, solution of second, here we need x, it means multiply and divide by x, and this limit is limit 25 power x minus 1 over x into limit x tends to 0, x upon 25. Now this is same, ax minus 1 over x, this equal to ln 25 into, this is reciprocal, is 1 upon ln 5, and this equal to this. Okay, with the help of above important limit, we can solve many other problems. Now, what is left hand and right hand limits? Now, in previous section, we have draw your attention when x approaches to a. Now, x approaches to a from which side? From left side or from right side? Now, we may ask, can x approaches a from the left side as well as from the right side? The answer is yes, provided limit in each can does exist. Now, it means if you x approaches to a, x approaches this a is any fixed value or fixed number, either by from left side or from the right side, no problem, but limit must be exist. It means when x approaches to a from the left, from the left, then suppose you say this is limit is L1, again x approaches to a from the right, suppose we say this is L2, and L1 L2 must be finite, means if x approaches a from the left and limit is L1, we write limit x tends to a minus 0 means this is approaching from left, and f of this L. Similarly, if x approaching to a from the right, for right we write a plus 0, means f of x equal to L2. Here L2 is one limit, is a finite limit, x L2 is also finite limit. If L1 and L2 both are finite, they are called left hand limit and right hand limit. But in case if L1 and L2 both are equal, then we say that limit x tends to a, f of x does exist and equal to L1 or L2. Limit of the function is exist, it must be left hand limit and right hand limit must be equal. Means in first step, first we check left hand limit, x approaches from left side. Suppose L1 is finite. Again apply limit from the right hand side. From right means x tends to a plus 0. Again limit is L2, both are finite. If L1 and L2 both are equal, then we say that our limit is exist and equal to L1 or L2. Okay, these are the basic concept of limit. Inshallah, next time we will solve many problems and understand this concept. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask from me.